Hey, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for Indiana Dynasty, we happen to have one of our 347 425 horsepower engine combos. Man, does this motor look great. This customer asked us to paint the block gray for him. We did the CVF Alt and Power Steering Serpentine kit on the front of it. We figured we'd dress it up with the beautiful polished Ford Racing valve covers, and of course the Sniper EFI by Holley. She runs really great. If you guys like something like this designed for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at any time at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over Dyna Run.